We'll continue the questions based on the conservation of momentum, Newton's second law, and everything. And Newton's second law in terms of differentiation equation आता ना, F equal to dp by
The delta P by delta T.
that is in terms of differentiation में dp by dt
DP.
differentiation. आता ना, चलो start करो. All JEE Mains questions I'm giving. Start करो. A particle of mass 0.3 kgs is subjected to a force of F equal to minus kx, where k is 15. Okay. चलो करो. 15 Newton per meter. What will be the initial acceleration when the particle is released from a point 20 centimeters away from the origin? This is easy. करो. एक पार्टिकल है, इसके ऊपर कितना फोर्स लग रहा है? F equal to minus kx लग रहा है. K value is given. So force value is given. He's asking at 20 centimeters में what will be the acceleration? Easy.
Means the distance is 20 centimeters, right?
20 centimeters.
Displacement.
Yes.
Sir, are there options or is it numerical?
Number आएगा. नहीं options you want you tell that.
Yes. Sir, I got minus 10 or 10.
देखेंगे. रुको. So force is given. He's telling different acceleration. So F equal to
Similarly,
ma. Yes. F equal to ma you have to use. F equal to, so 10 is answer. Use करो equation. What will be the initial acceleration when the particle is released at the point of 20 centimeters? So minus kx is equal to ma. K की जगह में minus 15 times of 20 centimeters, right? 20 into 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to mass 0.3 into a. So कितना? A is equal to, if you solve, you'll get 10 meters per second square. Minus आएगा but 10. Okay? Understood? चलो ये करो. हाँ ये करो. So hard questions, all of JEE Main questions solve करो. He is telling a particle of mass m is acted upon some force particle के ऊपर act हो रहा है. कौन सा? R by t square into vt. Okay. This law is tested experimentally by observing the motion starting from rest. The best way is to plot. So I want to plot the graph like this: log v of t versus options I'm giving versus 1 by t. Next, v of t versus t square. Which graph is matching? Log v of t versus 1 by t square log vt versus t. Question board, understand what he's saying? ये इतना force act हो रहा है. He's asking which of the best way to plot. So if you can find the relationship something, you will understand what is the best way to plot बोल के. So try to get log vt versus time के साथ relationship लेके आओ. So the given f is equal to r by t square times v of t.
Sir, what
मतलब
even
velocity versus time चाहिए ना, so try to get the relationship between velocity versus time. इधर force versus time, force नहीं है ना, so try to convert into acceleration, and from acceleration try to convert into velocity, integrate, you'll get velocity times of time. Find the relationship. Try करो. 2016 JEE Mains. Concept समझ में आया? We can use like F equal to m here, right? Because it is force is acting, उसके वजह से acceleration रहेगा F equal to m है r by t square times v function of time. Okay, so acceleration in terms of velocity, because I want some velocity terms, right? Acceleration नहीं है. dv by dt. v of t. Okay, velocity को नीचे लेके आओ, सब कुछ उधर लेके आओ. dv by v of t is equal to r by t square times dt m times ऐसा. नो आपको टू गेट वेलोसिटी इंटीग्रेट करेंगे बोथ साइड्स. नो लेके आओ, इंटीग्रेशन करके लेके आओ, कितना आएगा. सो
Sir,
m is
you
constant.
integrate v of t.
v
If
of
you
t
do
is x जैसे है ना, बिकॉज इट इज फंक्शन dv dv के साथ कर रहे हैं ना, 1 by x जैसा. 1 by x का इंटीग्रेशन इज व्हाट? 1 by x का इंटीग्रेशन इज नहीं फॉर्मूला log x करो. सो m is constant बाहर आ जाएगा. dv by dv is nothing but क्या है, इंटीग्रेशन इज 1 by x log v of t is equal to r by t square is constant. R by r 1 by t square dt is how much? t power minus 2 हो जाएगा ऊपर, समझ में आ रहा है? r इंटीग्रल t power minus 2 dt करो. log v of t is equal to r by m. What is the integration of t power minus 2 dt? x power n फॉर्मूला क्या है इंटीग्रेशन?
1 by t.
minus 1 by t, right? x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, right? So minus 1 by t आएगा. Minus 1 by t. See, x power n plus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. So minus 1 by t. Now tell me, by seeing किसका graph, if I draw log, मतलब which is easy, tell me. log and t का relationship कौन सा है? A, right? Versus 1 by t is a relationship. So you want the indirect relationship between the velocity and time is this one. This is a relationship. If you can able to solve this one, then only ये वाला useful होगा. Kinematics helpful होगा ये वाला. तो मेरा कर सकते हैं ऐसा? ना करो without seeing. हाँ करो. फाइनल आंसर बोलो. 2019 ए पार्टिकल एक मूविंग हो रहा है, उसके ऊपर फोर्स kT लगा रहा है, उसके ऊपर फोर्स इतना लगा रहा है.
So will it get the value in terms of P and K only?
यस करेक्ट.
Sir, options?
फर्स्ट करो आंसर. क्या ऑप्शन ऑप्शन बोलता है गेस करने का. तो
So
अंडर
first
रूट
I'll guess, then I'll do it.
ऐसे डोंट गेस. अंडर रूट 2k by p अंडर रूट 2p by k अंडर रूट 2k by p. हाँ गेस करो, करते बोलो करो, देखते हैं आपका गेस कितना करते हैं.
So see, so based on this, we can eliminate once again. See, sir, we can eliminate D because D is no,
Okay.
it's not. Sir, okay. Now between A, B, and C, the denominator is K for two options and it's not for one option. So B option is ruled out.
Okay.
Then yeah, sir. Most of the time, if you are getting whole root, there should always be a constant
एक
outside. So sir,
Then
answer
this
is
है.
A. Sir, my
अच्छे
guess is
नहीं कुछ नहीं, wrong करो.
Sir, I'm getting C.
हाँ देखते हैं, करो अब, करो मेथड से करो. समथिंग समथिंग करेगा, किधर किधर कॉपी करेगा. करो. ए पार्टिकल के ऊपर उतना फोर्स लग रहा है. ही इज टेलिंग टू फाइंड when the momentum changes from p to
sir,
3p.
when we do the integration, will it be indefinite or definite?
Indefinite. Definite.
So what will be the
Limits are
limits
given,
then?
right? Huh?
What will be the limits? Capital T and 0.
0 and capital T and p and 3p. कृष्णा ट्राई करो. ऐसे क्वेश्चन रिमूव करके डायरेक्टली इफ आई गो टू फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम, ये भी इतना कॉस्ट, इतना सारा क्वेश्चन 23 इयर्स में भर के आ रहा है क्वेश्चंस पूरा. Time, initial time is 0, final time is t. In this way, initial momentum is p and final momentum is 3p. So you can use this one. F is equal to dp by dt. Because momentum terms में चाहिए ना, and the given force and momentum का relationship only Newton second law we are using. From this, what is dp is equal to f dt. F के जगह में you can substitute as kt.
Sir, can't we directly write dp equal to 2p?
dp is equal to 2p.
Yeah, pf
No.
minus pi.
नहीं
Then it's A only.
it is variable force, right? Variable force. Every time is changing, the force will change. kt into dt.
Then it's A only.
हाँ ये only. ये तो नाम के वजह से guess कर रहा है. ठीक है.
Sir, I told sir, guess strategy works.
Integrate. Okay. So at time, whenever integration किसका limits use करेंगे? Time का limits use करेंगे. 0 and initial momentum is dp है ना? Momentum is p and at time capital T में 3p. So integrate and tell. Find capital T.
KT square by 2.
हाँ. फिर से करो. फिर से नेक्स्ट एग्जाम में फिर से प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा. अच्छे से करो. So integration of dp will be, कृषा बोलो कितना? Integration of dp is
P.
p. So upper limit minus lower limit. So 3p minus 2p is 2p is equal to k बाहर. Integration of t is t square by 2. So from 0 to capital T. So upper limit minus lower limit. So 2p is equal to k by 2 times t square. Therefore, t square is equal to 4p by k. So क्या होगा? t is equal to अंडर रूट हो जाए तो 2 बाहर आ जाएगा p by k. स्कूल में किया होगा ना? That's why guessing बोल के बोल रहा है.
Sir, we never did the integration in NLM till now.
Okay, चलो नेक्स्ट. ठीक है, ये सब हो गया ना. हाँ ये करो.
Direction means theta.
What direction? The position vector is given. The direction of the net force. Force है. Force है. मतलब I want a positive x direction. Huh? I'll give options. Direction. So it is positive x direction, positive z, positive y in xy plane.
No, see, sir, in this question, it can't be XY plane for sure.
हाँ.
Okay, sir. Z plane comes once in a
guess
lifetime.
करो, देखते guess करो आपको क्या दो.
So, see, sir, XY plane can't be possible.
Okay.
Because plus and suddenly XY no.
हाँ,
No, sir.
try
No,
करो.
sir, Z. No, the option Z comes once in a lifetime also. So that is also ruled out.
Okay.
This question, sir, if you use logic, the in J cap, the magnitude is more, right? Like 15.
है,
So,
करो
sir,
करो करो नहीं चाहिए. करो
there will be positive y direction. Watch.
अच्छे करो. So position is given, Krisha, force find करने का. So force का formula mass into acceleration, right? Acceleration find करने के. So displacement से acceleration how to find? Differentiate. 2 times differentiate करने का. करो.
So, sir, won't it be y direction?
देखेंगे.
sir, I got acceleration as 30 J cap.
30 J cap. Yes, 30 J cap means
That will be-
by that. तुमने कुछ कर रहे हैं ख्याल से something.
Sir, it's easy.
अच्छी something you're doing. Okay. आया कृषभ को डिफरेंशिएट करो 2 टाइम्स डिफरेंशिएट करा वेलोसिटी डिफरेंशिएट किया तो कितना आया dr by dt
30t.
30 आया ना सो 10 p का 1 है प्लस 15 into 2 30 राइट 30 j cap हाँ इसका किया तो it is 30 right 30 j cap so that means 30 into t right yeah 30 t sorry hmm. 30 into t right here so 30 j cap is by direction आ गया चलो नेक्स्ट वन करो जल्दी करो
Sir, give options, sir. I'll try last.
नहीं आई नॉट गिव ऑप्शंस नो करो ये न्यूमेरिकल बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस करो
Sir, what, sir? So that's Pythagorean triplet will be 50.
नहीं wrong I want to find the velocity of the third piece or speed you can find number में आएगा numbers I will be getting
Yeah, sir, 50.
wrong करो so क्या है body of mass m rest initially mass m है ये rest में है
Sir, won't these things be equal?
see these all momentum applications only ये क्या हुआ explodes into 3 pieces
Isn't this conversion of momentum?
हाँ conservation momentum only अभी तक क्वेश्चन
But
सारे
then all the three masses are same momentum, right?
हाँ देखो they're broken into 3 pieces the ratio of masses are not same right so it is one is m and 2m right I can write like this small m other one is a small m and other one is 2m okay so 2 smaller pieces fly off perpendicular to each other with the velocities मतलब एक piece ऐसे जा रहा है velocity कितना है 30 meters per second perpendicular जा रहा है ना other will be how much will be ऐसे आएगा perpendicular जाने का right can you tell me third piece किस तरफ जाएगा which
Resultant.
direction हाँ
In the resultant direction.
ऐसा ऐसे जाएगा
Yeah.
और somewhere ऐसे जाएगा हाँ why because इन दोनों को resultant कैसा आ रहा है ऐसा है ना to conserve momentum initial momentum is equal to final momentum it should cancel initial momentum is 0 right initial momentum is 0 आपको फाइनल मोमेंटम में 0 आने का 0 आ गए तो देखो ये दोनों परपेंडिकुलर में ऐसे जा रहे हैं इनिशियल फ्लाई हो रहा है ना मतलब इसका रिजल्टेंट इज लाइक दिस आ रहा है सो उसको कैंसिल करने के लिए एग्जैक्टली द अदर पार्टिकल विल बी गोइंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन ओके नाउ इसका मास इन टर्म्स ऑफ कैपिटल एम में लिखो ओके दिस विल बी सम m1 m2 m3 राइट v3 फाइंड करने का आई वांट टू फाइंड द वेलोसिटी ऑफ दिस वन
So shouldn't you just find the resultant?
No, sir, can't I just write m1 equal to m2 equal to 2 m3?
You tell me m1 will be in terms of capital M में कितना होगा देखो 2 plus 1 plus 1 कितना होगा
M by
1 by 4, m by
हाँ,
1
so
by 4.
it is m by 4 ये भी m by 4 this will be
M by 2, m by 8,
m by
m by 2 only.
m by 2 हाँ
Yeah,
m by 2 हाँ now solve करो initial momentum is
What's the
equal to
point
final
of
momentum.
giving in capital M form?
no so that we can cancel or something आ सकता है ना करो
Sir,
you can take
35.
हाँ
35.
35 no wrong
So it's like I've read m1 v1 plus m2 v2 plus m3 v3 equal to 0.
see you can put देखो initial first of all why we are applying conservation of momentum tell me Krisha tell me why we are applying conservation of momentum in this case में when we are I told when we are apply conservation of momentum tell me what is the key concept क्या है net for external force is 0 net external force is
So I'm
0
getting
because
70.
this when blasting this is applying a forces on this and same instrument this also applying a force on this internal force will cancel out each other external force there is no external force that's why we are applying conservation of momentum कितना है आंसर
So 70.
No wrong.
Sir, what is 35/2?
No wrong. देखो initial momentum is equal to final momentum.
Yeah,
Initial momentum is how much?
capital M.
0.
V.
Zero.
Oh,
Momentum
zero.
into zero. And final
That's why it-
momentum I can write in vector form easily. देखो either this is j cap, this is I cap, right? Tell me. M1 m by 4 times 30 j cap, right? Because perpendicular बोल के बोला ना, प्लस इसका कितना है m by 4 mass into velocity, right? 40 I cap plus we don't know with this direction, right? V3 into m by 2, right? Now try to find from this V3, find karo. M get cancel, M get cancel, and now try to find V3 and tell answer.
Sir, did
In
the
I cap
exact
J cap
same.
में आएगा first. I cap J cap में बोलो. V3 is
Sir, I got 15. 15.
so it is minus 15 by 2. Okay, ये भी करेंगे 10, right? ये वाला
Minus. Sir, how minus?
माइनस इधर लेके आए तो क्या होगा V3?
Oh, sir.
हाँ,
Oh, sir, I took it as normal value and I cut it out. Oh,
minus 10 I cap minus 15 J cap, right? So magnitude कितना है? Mod कितना है?
Minus 20 I can.
कितना? 15 by 2, right? ये है ना?
Sir, but into 2 will also be there, no sir.
Into 2 will be there. Which one? Okay. LCM ले
sir,
लो
what
ना?
happened to M by 2?
नहीं कितना होगा? ये LCM ले लो.
Sir,
20
you
आएगा ना?
20 and then 15.
15, yes. 20 and 15. LCM ले लो. Okay. So now कितना है? Now
Sir, we
under root
get
करो.
25.
Now under root करो कितना होगा?
Yeah, you get
Oh.
25.
25 is answer. Plus 225. So it's 625. It is 25 meters per second is answer.
So,
So
but I have a doubt.
ये actual tell me.
So can't we add the masses of M1 and M2 and write the total velocity as resultant?
दोनों same will yes you can use. दोनों करके we can add resultant that is equal to this momentum. That means indirectly इसका momentum is equal to इसका momentum equate किया तो भी आ जाएगा. Okay. So any method, other all are same only, but आपको sometimes velocity पूछेगा तो I cap J cap में आने के लिए ये करना पड़ेगा. Speed पूछेगा तो directly you can get. Okay. Resultant पूछेगा तो एक बार magnitude नहीं देगा. Options will be given vector form है. So vector form के साथ सीखो. It will be good for you. And this all conservation of momentum you will be detailedly you will study about center of mass time में you will be studying more detailedly. उसमें ज्यादा questions करने वाला है उधर टाइम. Okay. चलो next one करो. I'll give options also.
Sir, what sir will be either 0.4 or 0.5.
नहीं करो. Okay,
It should be divisible by 20.
2021, 2020, 2019, sorry. That's all. A bullet of mass 20 grams has initial speed. Initial velocity is given. Just before it start penetrating a mud wall, एक wall है of thickness 20 centimeters. Okay. If the wall offers a mean resistance,
So
कितना
mean
resistance?
resistance
मतलब
means
minus.
force.
Force is mean resistance. Newton दिया ना? Force is given minus में डालने का. Okay. The speed of the bullet after emerging the other side of the wall is कितना speed? मतलब v find करने का. Initial speed is 0, right? Initial speed is 1 meters per second is given, right? Just before it starts. No करो. Kinematics question.
Whenever here we use energy, kinetic
No,
energy.
no, nothing. Kinetic energy नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. use the kinematics equation solve. We want to find velocity, final velocity. Initial velocity is given, right? Initial velocity is given as 1 meters per second.
So V is equal to
Displacement
U.
is given as 20.
And acceleration?
Acceleration you can get from the force, right? Force is given. And mass is also given.
Oh,
मरे करो सब कुछ.
so then I have to substitute it in the third equation.
You can use, because there is no time, right? Time का equation without time वाला use करो. And acceleration negative आएगा, don't forget.
So it's down to 0.7.
Yes, correct. 0.7.
So I got V square is equal to 1.5, V is equal to root of 1.5.
No, 1.5 root नहीं है. B square minus U square equal 2A. Acceleration how much you got?
Minus 1.25.
Fraction में ले लो always. Why are you taking decimal में? Fraction में लिया तो it is easy for you.
No, sir, if I took decimal, I get V square minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1.25 into 0.2. I'm getting V square minus 1 is equal to 0.5.
So answer कितना है finally? B is equal to.
Oh, wait. Oh, never mind, sir. Never mind. Sir, I took minus 0.5 as plus 0.5.
Okay.
Sir, I got V as root 0.5.
Yes, correct. Root 0.5 is approximately कितना होगा?
Huh? Sir, how can a root of a value be greater than the value?
That's why 0.5 को कैसे लिखेगा tell me? 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by root 2 को रेशलेस कितना होगा?
Root 2 by 2.
Root 2 by 2 is how much?
Oh, 1.0.
बोले approximately कितना है? हाँ कृष्णा कितना है आपको? B square minus U square equal to 2AS use करने का.
Got to convert it.
U square equal to 2AS. Acceleration how much? देखो force is the given as how much? It is offering resistance, मतलब back side आ रहा है force को. Okay, so minus 2.5 into 10 power minus 2 newtons. Acceleration will be always F by m. Force upon mass is nothing but acceleration. F equal to m है, A is equal to F by m. So mass का divide करो. Minus 2.5 into 10 power of minus 2 by mass is 20 grams is given. 20 into 10 power of minus 3. So you will get acceleration as आपको minus 5 by 4 आएगा if you solve. 5 by 4 meters per second square. Now use this. A के जगह में लगाओ. S के जगह में displacement is how much? Bullet जा रहा है ना? 20 centimeters तक जाएगा. So 20 centimeters and try to find V from this.
Sir, can't we do this by using kinetic energy also?
किनेटिक एनर्जी का एनर्जी वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम का करके कर सकते हैं बट अभी क्या
But
करेगा?
still, sir, it's easy, sir. If you define work and then work is equals to what delta kinetic energy,
हाँ.
and then from there we can solve, right? But that's a little longer. No, sir, our sir told that for some questions, if you can't solve, you can use work energy.
Yeah. Since we not started the work for energy, उसमें करने वाला है. That time we will do. Okay. चलो. आया कृष्णा? Understood? 0.7 is the answer. So next. Hard questions there on सबका करो. Now same model है. They given a force in terms of time is given to you. Okay. This is a force in terms of F naught into E power minus BT. Is speed चाहिए. Speed which of the following is cursor speed versus time, velocity versus time चाहिए. Graph which is matching. Okay.
So what is that function?
Velocity in terms of this one, huh?
Yeah.
F naught E power minus BT. Exponentially.
B
Exponential
constant.
याद है? क्या?
Is B constant?
B is constant. Exponential graph कैसा रहेगा? Tell me. exponential
Like
graph.
a curve. So it's not A or D. It's between B and C.
हाँ, x e power minus x का ग्राफ कैसा रहेगा normally if you draw
E power
graph?
minus x.
हाँ,
So I know e power x. Isn't e power x just a curved line?
upwards हाँ.
Yeah,
E power minus x will be उल्टा,
downwards.
downwards. Okay, sir. अब मालूम है ना? हाँ. So now try to find the velocity. See, please tell me, force is given. Velocity कैसा आएगा? We can find acceleration right from this. Acceleration से पीछे गया तो हाँ करने का करो, सॉल्व करो. ऑलवेज यही है, कुछ नहीं है, नया कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है, सॉल्व करो. F equal to m में acceleration is nothing but force upon mass. Force upon mass. So it is F naught by m times e power minus bt. So acceleration nothing but dv by dt. F naught by m e power minus bt. So dv is equal to F naught by m e power minus bt times dt. Since I want velocity, integrate both sides.
So is it
Which option you got?
So it's either between B and C. So I'm not able to. So because for exponential graph, it should be.
मेथड करो, सी मेथड्स लर्न करो. नया क्वेश्चन देगा वो लोग आपको. परफेक्ट मेथड लर्न किया तो एनी क्वेश्चन यू कैन सॉल्व.
so is it
गेसिंग
D?
तो गेसिंग तो क्या है, एक ऑटो वाला को बुलाए तो भी वो भी करेगा. ओके, जस्ट ट्राई टू लर्न. हाँ, व्हाट इज आंसर?
So I'm getting D.
टी रॉन्ग. हाँ, इंडिकेट करो कितना आ रहा है कृष्णा, इसका करो.
Sir, I'm getting B in the numerator.
बी या भाई, व्हाट इज एक्सप्रेशन, फाइनल एक्सप्रेशन, हाउ मच यू गेटिंग?
V is equal to F minus B F
दिस इज
naught
कांस्टेंट है ना.
by
एफ नॉट बाई एम बाहर आ जाएगा. ई पर माइनस एक्स का इंटीग्रेशन इज
E power minus x.
e power minus x, but since it is not in the chain rule यूज करने का, डिफरेंशिएट करके बाइड में डालो. So differentiation of minus bt will be minus
B.
b. So नीचे minus b.
Oh.
Okay.
Sir, why below?
Yeah, sir,
इंटीग्रेशन
why
है
below?
ना, इंटीग्रेशन में.
Okay,
हाँ,
okay.
आपको जो डिफरेंशिएट करके वो बॉटम में डालो.
Oh, sir, there's integration in chain rule also.
प्लस सी. हाँ, कितना चेन रूल कंपल्सरी रहेगा. हाँ, लिमिट्स आर फ्रॉम where to where? Initially from 0 to t, right? It will initially start from 0, right? After certain time t with. So it is integral 0 to t. अरे 0 to t. हाँ, कितना होगा, वही आएगा ना आंसर फाइनली.
So what is? Oh yeah.
So कितना आएगा इसका एक्सप्रेशन किया तो?
Look at F naught by M.
ये वाला from 0 to
1 by minus B. If you
from
keep t
0
equal
to
to 0.
okay. So v is equal to minus f naught by m. b बाहर आ जाएगा. हाँ, e power minus bt माइनस लोअर लिमिट क्या है, 0 लगाए तो e power 0. e power 0 is 1. So माइनस अंदर भेज रहा हूँ. So
won't it be 1 minus e power b minus bt?
माइनस अंदर भेजे तो it will be
one.
माइनस आएगा. Okay, माइनस I took outside, right? ये वाला माइनस b, right? हाँ, so माइनस अंदर भेजूंगा. f naught by mb into 1 minus e power minus bt. Now tell me which one velocity versus time. Velocity versus time का ग्राफ कैसे रहेगा? See, e power minus t will be downwards है ना, ऊपर से. 1
Yeah.
minus e power minus t will be, it will be
Upward,
upwards आएगा. So b is
so
answer.
C. So I can't be C.
Why can't you see? See, maximum value is how much? Maximum value is f naught by mb, right?
Yeah.
तो टच होगा ना, ये वाला टच होगा. f naught by mb.
Touch. Oh, okay.
Okay. So very important. आपको ऐसा क्वेश्चन नहीं करके सिंपली फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम, नॉर्मल रिएक्शन, टेंशन वो लगा तो क्या फायदा है, इसमें बहुत भर भर के आ रहे क्वेश्चंस. सो ऑलवेज दैट वन नहीं है, ये भी करने का. करेगा पक्का करके मेथड से करके बोलो आंसर्स. ओके, चलो. A body of mass this much moves along x-axis such that velocity varying displacement. देखो velocity in terms of displacement is given. He's asking what the force acting on the bodies. Force पूछ रहे करो.
So shouldn't we just find acceleration using V into
Force
D by
equal to
dx?
ma. M तो दिया, acceleration नहीं है.
So we can use V into D by dx.
हाँ use करो. Velocity in terms of displacement is given, Krisha. Find acceleration. A is equal to V into dV by dx we have to use. And then last में acceleration आने के बाद F equal to ma use किया तो आ जाएगा. Not the answer.
So is it 2?
2
Oh, that's
no,
force. Oh, 1 Newton.
no wrong. Differentiate करो.
So
So there is a
20
differentiate dv by
25 is
dx.
answer.
You'll get
देखो,
1 by 2 root
10
x.
into x power 1 by 2, right? N
Yeah,
into
1
x
by
power
2
n
root
minus
x.
1. So n into x power n minus 1 means minus 1 by 2.
Minus 1 by 2. Yeah.
Okay.
1 by 2 root x, right?
So a is equal to v कितना है? 10 into 10 into
Root x.
x power 1 by 2. Okay. Into 10 into 1 by 2 into x power minus 1 by 2. ये दोनों cancel हो जाएगा.
Yeah.
So 2 5 is 10. 50,
Oh,
right? 50. No, f equal to
oh, shit. So
ma, right?
25.
Oh, so 500 by
But
1000 into a.
so but if you take dv by dx as 10 into 1 by 2 root minus 1.
N into x power n minus 1.
No,
1
so
by
what I
2
did
minus
was I wrote x power minus half as 1 by x power half. So I got 10 into 1 by 2 root x. That is 5 by root x. And then I wrote 10 root x into 5 by root x. I got acceleration as so I wrote 10 into 5 is 10 by 5.
मतलब अच्छे से करने का. सी एक चैप्टर में एक ही क्वेश्चन आएगा एग्जाम में, मेन एग्जाम्स में आपको. मरी वो वन क्वेश्चन इफ यू डन मिस्टेक क्लासिकल फिर से नहीं मिलने वाले हैं. 1 ईयर वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा. इसलिए पक्का करो टॉप मोस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी में आने का आपको. ओके हो गया. आया कृष्ण आपको अनुष्ठ?
Yeah, sir.
यस करो. 2t I cap plus 3t square j cap is a velocity is given in terms of time में. Force at 1 second is some Newton. X में दिया is telling to find the value of x. मतलब force value is given. मतलब force find करो. This is
So
easy.
is it I cap plus xj?
हाँ I cap
I
plus
got it, sir. It's very easy.
I cap plus xj. Yeah.
So once again.
solve करो.
Oh, so this is easy.
So 3.
Yes, correct.
So the differentiate velocity multiplied by 0.5.
Velocity is given 2t I cap plus 3t square j cap. First try to find acceleration. dv by dt. So कितना होगा 2 plus
So 3.
60. And acceleration at 1 second, right? कितना आया?
2 I cap plus 6 j cap.
2 I cap plus 6.
So but don't, sir, it's better if we
Okay.
don't write as 8 meter per second because
Yeah. Acceleration और नहीं लिखने का, right?
yeah, so because the answer is in vectors
Yes.
form.
आपको कितना है? मैग्नीट्यूड पे बोलो आंसर.
Root 10. So but they're asking x now.
Yeah, so asking x only, right?
X only, but x is how much? Yeah. कितना आया कृष्णा? एक्सेस 3 आया. आपको भी सेम आया ना प्रणव? F equal to m है. m is 500 grams, right? वो लगा के मल्टीप्लाई करो, you will get the answer. तो कितना होगा? 0.5 into 2i प्लस 60 जे कैप, तो कितना होगा 1/2 आई कैप प्लस 3t जे कैप. सो इफ यू कंपेयर दिस जे कैप के एंड टाइम कितना दिया वो 1 सेकंड राइट. सो नाउ फोर्स एट 1 सेकंड कितना है I plus 3 j cap. So if you compare x equal 3. चलो next one. A force acts for 20 seconds on the body of mass 20 kgs. Some force is acting starting from rest. After which force ceases, stops हो जाएगा. Then body describes 50 meters in the next 10 seconds. Value of force will be. Try. A force acts 20 seconds on the body of mass starting from rest. Initially एक ऑब्जेक्ट के रेस्ट में है, मतलब इनिशियल रेस्ट इज 0. ओके एंड उसके बाद फोर्स एक्ट हो रहा है उसके ऊपर पर 20 सेकंड्स तक रीच हुआ, मतलब t इक्वल 20 सेकंड्स में ये तक आया.
Other options, I got the answer.
20 kg बॉडी है ना, 20 kg बॉडी. नहीं आंसर बोलो. starting from rest after which force ceases.
I got the equation. I just need to-
हाँ कितना आंसर
I got the question. I just need to solve now.
ना मुझे सॉल्व करो. ओके सो इधर तक सम वेलोसिटी मान लो v. ओके स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम रेस्ट आफ्टर द फोर्स सीजेस एंड इधर इधर तक फोर्स स्टॉप हो गया एंड देन बॉडी डिस्क्राइब्स 50 meters इन द नेक्स्ट 10 seconds. नेक्स्ट सेकंड मतलब t इक्वल 30 seconds में ये 20 kg बॉडी उसका वेलोसिटी इज बिकमिंग
Is it
एंड देन बॉडी 50 meters तक रीच हुआ,
20?
50 meters तक रीच हुआ ऑब्जेक्ट.
So is
Okay,
it
it's trying to find the value of force. Force कितना एक्ट हो रहा है, इनिशियल फोर्स कितना है.
sir 5?
आंसर इज
5.
देखेंगे सब लोग करने दो. क्वेश्चन अंडरस्टूड. इनिशियली फोर्स एक्ट करके इधर तक लेके आया कृष्णा, इधर तक लेके आया, इसके बाद फोर्स स्टॉप कर दिया. इवन दो फोर्स स्टॉप एट दैट बिकॉज ऑफ इनर्शिया इट इज गोइंग टिल 50 meters तक इधर तक आया. इज आस्किंग व्हाट इज द फोर्स, इनिशियल फोर्स कितना एक्ट हो.
So what do you take acceleration in the second case?
एक्सेलरेशन आपको फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, इन दिस 10 seconds में. इधर एक्सेलरेशन फाइंड करो, मतलब
Sir, I got 5.
हाँ
And I'm getting 5.
you're getting 5. Krishna, from here to here any force is acting. If there is no force there is no acceleration, right? Velocity कितना, can you find speed v find करो.
So it will be 5.
Because speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is 50 by time is how many seconds में 10 seconds. So it is 5 meters per second से जा रहा है. Velocity is 5 meters per second. मतलब इधर ऑब्जेक्ट में स्पीड कितना है 5 meters per second. Now find acceleration from here to here. You can find acceleration, right? Acceleration is change in velocity by time. So v minus u by t. So कितना 5 minus 0 by t is how much 20 seconds. So it is 1/4 meters per second square, right? Acceleration also you got. Now solve करो. Force find करो. Since you know acceleration, you can find force. F equal to ma. M is 20 kgs into a is 1/4. So it is 5 meters per 5 newtons. So Newton's second law, F equal to ma we are using, F equal to dp by dt we are using, and we are using kinematics and we are solving. All देखो formula तो same है, but method देखो understand होने का कैसा हो. आ रहा है? Next. On the videos, look. करो, इजी क्वेश्चन करो, थोड़ा डायग्राम ड्रॉ करके करो. Velocity of the bullet becomes 1/3 after penetrates 4 centimeter of wooden box. एक wooden box is there, एक bullet is there. Okay. After penetrating to 4 centimeters, the wooden box, it is velocity becoming 1/3. मतलब initial velocity is u मान लो. इधर तक reach होने के बाद 4 centimeters reach होने के बाद velocity of the bullet becomes u/3. Okay. Assuming that the bullet is facing constant distance, मतलब is not decreasing, इधर तक same है. During the motion of the block, the bullet stop completely after traveling 4 plus x. मतलब some x distance के बाद the bullet stop हो गया. मतलब final velocity becomes 0 in this case में. After reaching 4 plus x distance के बाद.
Sir,
Okay,
so if we use the first law of equation, we have to write it as u by 3 whole square, b square, yeah. U by 3 whole square is equals to u square plus
yes,
2.
करो. पहला सवाल. Acceleration find करो first.
Sir, I'm getting 0.5.
इतना फास्ट में कर रहे हैं नहीं तो दिख रहा है गूगल पे सर्च कर रहे हैं. हाँ करो.
Sir, I did by roadway rough.
Yeah. ट्राई करो. कृषि एक्सेलेरेशन फाइंड करो पहले. इन टर्म्स ऑफ यू में आएगा.
So we have to convert centimeters. Okay.
हाँ सेंटीमीटर्स टू मीटर्स. यस कन्वर्ट करने का.
So we don't know.
हाँ
So we don't need to, right? Because both are centimeters only.
हाँ देखा मत कन्वर्ट करो. बट देखो वेयर वी आर यूजिंग एनीथिंग अबाउट मीटर्स. हाँ नो राइट. हाँ या सो कितना है. नो नीड ऑफ कन्वर्टिंग देन. कितना है.
I got acceleration. Now after that, what should I do?
ही इज आस्किंग वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स.
Yeah, sir. I got
Velocity is 0.
acceleration as minus u square by 9.
Again apply equation of motion from here to here.
So the
From
S
here to
will be 4 plus
here
x,
to here.
right?
Huh?
Then the S will be 4 plus x. No, then in the second
4
one.
plus x. Yes,
Okay,
4 plus x. See, we are getting x in meters, right? So आपको convert करने का. Why you are not converting? देखो v square is equal to u square plus 2s, right? So v square is how much? U by 3 whole square. That is u square by 9 is equal minus u square is equal to 2a into 4 by 100. Because acceleration also will get in meters per second square. So try to convert. So कितना होगा? Minus 8 u square by 9 by into 2. Okay. Into 100 by 4 is equal to here. So 2 4 ja 4 4 cancel. So it is a is equal to minus 100 u square by 9. आया ये वाला acceleration. Okay. So इधर तक reach हुआ है. And finally velocity क्या हो गया? After reaching there, it becomes 0.
Oh. So
After
but why
traveling
to
a
convert
displacement
to
of
meters?
4 plus x.
So why to convert it into meters?
Why to convert it in meters? Because आपको acceleration we are getting in meters per second square.
Okay.
No, directly. कृष्णा नो अप्लाई. सी इधर एक वुडन ब्लॉक है. बुलेट गया 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 इधर तक रीच हुआ. हाफ u/3 हो गया. इधर से आफ्टर ट्रैवलिंग और भी x डिस्टेंस. देखो ड्यूरिंग द मोशन द बुलेट स्टॉप्स कंप्लीटली आफ्टर ट्रैवलिंग अ 4 plus x डिस्टेंस. मतलब अगेन 4 plus x डिस्टेंस के बाद इट बिकम्स वेलोसिटी 0. अगेन ट्रैवल 4 plus x के बाद वेलोसिटी बिकम्स 0. हाँ दैट टाइम अगेन अप्लाई इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. u is initially from here to here. apply करो equation. कितना आएगा?
So I'm getting a fraction.
फ्रैक्शन है नो. नंबर का मतलब कितना आएगा आंसर? फाइनल आंसर इधर से इधर तक it travel total 4 plus x, right? 4 plus x distance travel करके रुक गया. So what is the formula? V square is equal to u square plus 2as. V is 0. U is initial velocity u square plus 2 into a is minus 100 u square by 9 into s is how much distance travel? 4 plus x, right? If 4 plus x travel किया, right? पूरा मतलब 4 plus x travel करके रुक गया.
Yeah, sir, even I got x as 0.5.
0.5 is answer. Okay, and s is what? S is centimeters, right? Again, you have to convert it to meters by 100. solve करो कृष्ण. So bring one side, minus 200 by देखो ये minus u square is equal to minus 200 u square by 9 into 4 plus x by 100. So u square cancel. So minus minus cancel. So कितना 1 बचेगा. So 900 by 200 is equal to 4 plus x. So कितना 4.5. 4.5 minus 4 is 0.5. 0.5 meters is answer. कुछ नहीं, बुलेट में इधर तक गया, उसके बाद फिर से एक्स डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करके रुक गया. सो ये वाला क्वेश्चन से आएगा एग्जाम में. एग्जाम में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आपको. ओके, काइनेमेटिक्स इक्वेशन यूज करना पड़ेगा ऑलवेज. करेगा?
Yeah, sir, got it. So, sir, in the next class, we'll do free body diagrams.
वी हैव इंपल्स नहीं किया वो लोग.
No, sir, I don't think so.
1 minute.